Three contractors are at a construction site to bid for a job installing fences. One is from Florida, one is from Texas, and the third is from New York. The first to bid is the Florida contractor. He measures the area and says, "Well, I reckon I can do the job for $900. That's $400 for materials, $400 for my men, and $100 for me." Next is the Texan, who measures the area and says, "I'll do the job for $700. That's $300 for materials, $300 for my men, and $100 for me." The man from New York doesn't even stand up. "I'll do it for $2,700. The foreman incredulously says, "You didn't even measure the job. How did you arrive at that price?" "Easy," says the New Yorker. $1,000 for you, $1,000 for me. And we hire the Texan.